Welcome to my channel. Today we are stepping into the exciting realm of the new Pika. Packed with fresh features, Pika unleashes boundless possibilities for your creative journey. From crafting videos effortlessly to transforming static images into dynamic masterpieces, the new Pika is your gateway to an exciting world of creativity. Now, let's explore the journey of video creation together, from setting up prompts to transforming images effortlessly. Exciting possibilities await. Let's dive in. This will lead you to the Pika dashboard, featuring the prompt box at the bottom of the screen and two sets of floating buttons in the upper part. Explore pre-made videos for inspiration by navigating to the Explore page. To view your own videos, click on My Library, where I have already created some videos. The display pair includes buttons for presenting content one by one and displaying 3 in a row. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the prompt box. You can either type in your prompt or paste it there. I already have a pre-made prompt. Explore the vibrant world under the ocean's surface, where colorful coral reefs are home to a diverse array of fish species. From the majestic lionfish to the playful clownfish, let your imagination run wild as you envision this underwater paradise. Just below the text box, there's an image or video section with a paperclip icon. This allows you to upload your video or image. Click the broken line square to set up your aspect ratio and frames per second, FPS. If you click on the camera icon, a camera control box will pop up. This box lets you control the camera's movement, up or down, right or left, and adjust motion strength from 0 to 4. The last icon is the parameter icon for ensuring consistency. Once you finish setting everything up, click the Start icon to generate the video. Once you start generating a video, the processing status can be observed at the top of the video library. I was impressed by how quickly it generates the video. In the AI video generator, I found the process to be quite fast. This video is excellent. The camera movements, swimming fish, and the background are all captured quite well. In the video thumbnails within My Library, you will notice buttons below the video including Retry, Reprompt, and Edit. The text prompt is attached at the bottom of the video. Clicking Retry will regenerate the video, while Reprompt will navigate you to the prompt box for creating a new video. The Edit button allows you to modify the video by adjusting the region and expanding the canvas. We can explore this further later. Click on the 3-dot icon, and you'll find options to upscale and extend the video. If you click on the broken rectangle icon, you can enlarge the video, and by clicking on the download icon, you can download the video. Now let's proceed to the next step, converting an image to a video. Upload an image generated from Leonardo.ai. Once uploaded, an image box will appear with your image thumbnail. In the prompt box, use the same prompt as the one used with the image. Let's keep it simple and use the default settings. Click the star icon to generate the video, and you'll witness the image seamlessly transforming into a video. The video worked very well, but the aspect ratio is not to my liking. To adjust it, I click the Edit button below the video I want to work on in the video library. In the prompt box, the prompt information is displayed. I then click Expand Video, and an Expand box appears above the prompt box. By clicking the desired aspect ratio and then the Start button, I let Pika work its magic. Soon after, I see the expanded area, and it looks even better than the original. Now let's proceed to modify the region. After uploading a 9:16 video and expanding it in Pika, I'd like to add an object to it. Click the Edit button, navigate to the prompt box, and click Modify Region. A Modify Region box will pop up. Mark the desired region and type sunglasses in the prompt box. Let the Pika make its magic again, and you'll observe the sunglasses appearing in the video, fitting seamlessly on the face. Enjoy your video creation journey. Explore the limitless possibilities in Pika's creative realm. With its seamless tools and dynamic features, your video creations are bound to shine. Wishing you endless inspiration and joyful moments as you unleash your creativity in Pika.